It's a great pleasure to have you today, finally. Maybe we dive into more of the content why we are here, but most of you actually you know. But I wanted to express my gratitude. Thank you for your flexibility. We've had a lot of challenges, we've had a lot of changes in a very short time, but we managed. So every one of you, you should feel proud and congratulate yourself that we made it to today.
What motivated me to apply for this training is because I found it crucial that the skills they are going to get is crucial for me in my career development. Also my expectations, I expect a lot of things that I'm going to take back to my organization and use in my daily work.
Icyatumye na-applyinga nk'umuntu uri muri data science field nk'izindi IT field zose ni ikintu kigenda gikura. Technologies zikoreshwa zigenda zihinduka mu bihe bitandukanye. Rero nashakaga kwi-updatinga kuri technologies, kureba ese ntabyo naba ntazi kandi nshobora gukoresha mu kazi kanjye ka buri munsi. Dufite ibibazo byinshi dushobora gukemura cyane cyane dukoresheje data, kuko muri iyi minsi system nyinshi zirahari zirecordinga amadata, ariko icya mbere harimo data zidasukuye, zitari clean.
Training the fifth elite, the first cohort, data science, capacity building from different government institutions which are core pioneers of national statistical system, and I am motivated to be among the trainees because being in the first cohort will shape my skills as well as building my country in data innovation and digital transformation.
I'm actually facing, or I can say that it's a lot of challenges, but I actually face some challenges. I have studied statistics, so I wasn't familiar with data. So the thing of dealing with high dimension data, handling missing values, I found it challenging. So what I expect that after the end of this training, I'm going to be able to handle all those problems in an easy way. At our institution, we have the big data department, where we are mostly emphasizing on the improvement of big data instead of using the traditional methods that were being used. So I am planning to work hand in hand with the big data department so that the skills I'm going to get here and the skills they already have, we can integrate them and create something big.
Wenda nko mu kigo cyacu nk'aba taxpayers, turebe aba taxpayers ibyo bifuza, ibyo batwifuzaho, turebe ese nuko batumva wenda amategeko, ese nuko amategeko ababangamiye, niki cyahindurwa muri policies na decision making mu kigo cyacu. Ibyo expecting rero byo ni byinshi. Expecting kubona nyine izo technologies skills nakabaye nsubira nayo mu kazi kugira ngo mbashe gukemura ibibazo nkoresheje data dufite uyu munsi.
For this capacity building initiative, the idea is to take the participants from a background where they know how to do data analysis. Most of these participants come from quantitative background, I would say, so they do know how to do data analysis, but they are familiar with what I would call traditional tools of data analysis and statistics. So the curriculum, what it does is to introduce them to Python as a new and modern tool for performing data analysis. Once we introduce them to Python, the next phase is to show them how to use the different libraries and packages in Python to perform some of the data analysis, like using maybe GIS data or location data or time series data, and then show them how to connect to databases and use other new and modern tools such as AI and large language models. And then at the end, these sort of skills will help them to solve some of the data challenges at their workplaces.